How's it going, guys? Welcome back. It is Tom here in Careers. Just going to take you through the last few sections of your application today. So well done on getting this far. I know you've put a lot of time and effort into the application and you're probably now ready to submit. But before we do that, we just need to check through all of the details on the application and make sure they are accurate. So you want to click on this section here and just go through this with a fine-tooth comb to make sure everything is correct. Grammar and punctuation can make the application look rushed if you've not checked it, so make sure you are going through this with a fine-tooth comb and even get someone else to read through it as well. You may also see some error messages. Make sure that those are rectified before you submit your application. But if they don't affect your application negatively, then as long as you've covered those bases and as long as the section's complete and you're happy with it, then carry on. Make sure as well that the courses you've applied for are accurate and also that the education that you've put in there is relevant. Again, just double check through your employment section and your personal statement section. Once you're happy with it, you're then ready to complete this section. If you tick that box there and save it, you'll then be ready to pay and send. This is the final phase of the application, so well done on getting this far. There's a couple important reminders there that it's worth reading through, but once you've done that, you can click through to the terms and conditions. If you want to read them, then you're more than welcome to, but most people will just tick the boxes and proceed with their application. Again, this is the final stage, so you will just have a little summary there of the choices you've selected. This is the final time you'll be able to look at it, so just make sure it is absolutely correct. And on this occasion, the fee is £20. At this stage, you will need a credit or debit card in front of you, so make sure you've got one to hand and just be aware of the amount that it will charge. For one choice, it will cost £20, as you can see here. But if you get anywhere between 2 and 5 choices, it will cost a total of £25. Enter the information into the boxes provided, so you'll need your card number, expiry date, issue number if it is applicable, and your security number, which can be found on the back of your card. Once you're happy with that, make the payment and you will receive a confirmation email. Just want to say a massive well done on completing your application so far, and I wish you all the best in your career pathways. If you have any questions or you found this video useful, feedback is massively appreciated, so please feel free to message me. Congratulations and well done.